welcome back to the channel. So, we're back at Benaraby Dragway. Our troopie's back in action. Hopefully with our tuning, a bit of dyno and everything else, let's give us a fair start of where to go for this weekend. But it's a bit lean on the way out. Sam just come over and gave a few little tweaks and adjusted a couple of things, so it's looking better. So recap, new heads, new heads, new intake, new ignition system. I had to pull my little green labels off of that shortly, but everything else same as last time, apart from everything from there up. New rockers as well, and carby tune. So my one of these just turned up today. Haven't had time to change it. I'll deal with that, or I might just give him the new one and keep that one since it's on there already. All right. I need to go get my scrutineering done, which is self-scrutineering on license, and get my helmet checked. Alright, back with you when we're at the track, on the start line, at the burnout pad. Yeah, one of those. Two-step off because got one mate saying should be right and another mate saying you know throw rod bolts out. Risk is probably slightly higher than the reward for the sheep stations I'm not racing for. So anyway, we'll reconvene this in the burnout box. Alright, let's see how we go. First burnout. So, I don't know if you can see on the bonnet, it looks slightly shiny. I'll just give it a hit with some shine juice, nothing major. Oh, I didn't let my tyres down. That's going to do nothing. Take off this one. Steady, steady. She looks on the plugs is the tyres are way too high, so that was a terrible launch and everything else that went with it. Alright, let's get back, do a quick check over, get back in line. Righto, so I put a new plug in number one and I added 2 degrees of timing and I let my tyres down because you know I should have like a checklist and go, are your tyres down? No. I don't know how many times I've come and done the first run or 2 runs and gone, oh, I haven't let my tyres down. You go back, review my, I don't know, hundreds, 100 and something runs I've done in this car, you probably find at least 10. I'm a rookie. That's okay. And as a rookie, I took my GoPro out of the engine bay and left it on the caravan. So no undercar footage for you this time. Or me. But hey, I will remember for the next one. That was better. Down, let's see what we can do. Righto, so first run was terrible, did a 15.68 at 92 mile an hour. I forgot to let the tyres down, as you know. So that last run then, I did a 13.9 at 93 mile an hour. So I short shifted second to third, short shifted third to fourth. And I pulled the plug. I don't know how well you can see it, but that's what the plug looks like now. So I've just added another degree of time, or 2 degrees of timing in it. Haven't touched fueling yet. I'll do this timing first, and then I'll do another. Then I'll start mucking around in fuel if I get time. But reaction 003 on the tree. That was freaking good. And the 60 foot. I don't have my glasses. I forgot them. I don't think it's. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong side.
60 foot 1.935.
Okay, so I'm down a 10th on the 60 foot too, so there's plenty of time to make up in the front end. Alright, back on the track. Let's go. So that run was terrible. So I took the 2 degrees timing back out. I've gone down 1 jet size on the front, because that's as much as we had available to us. So from there, if I can, I'll take, I don't know, I'll probably swap to a hotter plug because I'm running a 6 at the moment. I've got a set of 5s at home. I'll duck home in the morning and grab them. And we'll see if we need the 5s or we need the 6s. Tomorrow's race day, but tomorrow is going to still be test and tune because we got a new setup. It takes some holy noisy car. I can't hear nothing. Seems that. Anyway, I need to get up and have another go. Sorry, didn't record, but I snuffed it on the line, as you'll see from the wife's view. So luckily they are closing the lanes a bit later, so I'm just going to sneak back around, get straight on the back of it and have another hit. But oh, absolutely stalled it on the line. That was horrendous. Anyways, we'll get back around, we'll have another crack. Anyway, talk to you in a second. I don't remember to record this one. At least I hot lapped it. It wasn't like just wasting time of day. Alright, let's see where we go. Alright, let's see if we can get a 13.9 something at least. Got a little bit less fuel. Well, that was an eventful night. Didn't really achieve a lot. It's definitely not getting the performance I expected out of these heads. Whole setup, I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm running way too small of a cam in it compared to what it should be with these heads. I don't know. But the budget's been spent for the year. Next year, we'll see what we can do. Do I go back to the old heads? Don't I go back to the old heads? But for tomorrow, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go home. I'm going to get my 5 rated. So I've got BCP 6, whatever. Anyway, I've got 6 in there now. I'm going to go to a 5, so it's slightly hotter plug. Because that's what I was running in the old ones. So we'll chuck the 5s in. Let's see if it gives us anything. I don't know. If you know these things, let me know, because I need help here. We had this thing repeatable, reliable, the same. And then I go and mess it up. Why did I do this? Anyway, that's the end of this one. You get to watch the next one, which is tomorrow for me, but next week. I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching.